Alright YouTube, so we did manage to pick up the bumper. I did show you guys, and it's been a couple days afterwards. I am actually on my way to the shop to pick up some tools and head over to my guy Skizzy's shop where they are parting out a legit Jeep SRT. He's actually thinking about getting rid of it soon, so I need to take what I need from it before they junk the rest. So with that being said, let's go ahead and grab these tools and shoot over to my guy's shop and get this dash removed. Alright guys, as you can see, we are at the Jeep, taking the dash apart now. I'm gonna set you guys up for a little time lapse, so I don't have to be here for an hour. Guys, we are back. As you can see, the dash is here and a few other interior pieces that I know that I was going to need, so I managed to grab that. The dash does have some lifting issues on the corner. I'm gonna take care of that. Hopefully my Jeep should be done sometime this week so I can get this part 2 video for you guys. Alright y'all, so I am currently recording on my phone because I can't find my DJI, but let's go ahead and grab these tools. Head over to Maryland. Go check out this Chrysler 300. Alright guys, as you can see, I got my tools. Got my coffee. About to drive like 3 hours to go check out this Chrysler. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I end up buying it. I don't go out there for no reason. With that being said, my tool guy is here. Let's go load these tools up. And hopefully, we'll be there within 2 hours and 30 minutes. Alright guys, so we just stopped. It's been an hour and 30 minutes. About to get me something to eat. Hungry as fuck. Alright guys, so mind you, we are at 7-Eleven. We just bought an Apple Watch and Apple Pro. Let me know down below if y'all think this shit real. He told me $150 for this. We got him down to $80. He tripping. This joint probably fake, but fuck it. We got this both for $80. What y'all think? I know this joint probably fake because the price, but shit. Oh well. But we should be at a location to the car in about another 2 more hours, hopefully. This is what I picked up. They ain't really had no food, so this is what I got, man. Alright guys, so it's been approximately 4 to 5 hours since you guys seen the last clip of me getting ready to head up there. I actually did head up there. I didn't get no footage because I wanted to actually, do my research on the car before I got there. When I got there, everything seemed to be good up until I started checking all the vents. The door vents, they looked alright. They kind of looked tampered with. The one on the windshield was definitely tampered with. And the one on the strut, there's a sticker there. Like, for whatever reason, there's a sticker there. It's supposed to be engraved into the strut tower. If you guys know, then you know it's supposed to be a VIN engraved, but it wasn't. So I didn't really, he said that that part had to get replaced, so they had to just put a sticker there because they didn't know anybody who could re-engrave it. So I didn't really think anything of it. I said, all right, cool. Can I hear the car start? Because he said it started. It needed a new motor, which I already knew that, but he said it started. So they finally got the car started. The motor cylinder was knocking. All right, cool. I want the car. Then I went to go do my research on Carfax. Come to find out the car was a 2011 5.7 300, which was crazy to me because the car was listed as not a swap, real SRT. Cool. So even if it was a swap, I would have bought it to sell it for the parts. But the fact that it looked like somebody tampered with all of it, I didn't even want to deal with it. Let me just show you guys the listing. I mean, he deleted it, but I'll just show you what the pictures he had up of the car. The only reason I was going to buy it, he only wanted $4,500. As you can see. Tell me you wouldn't have bought that for $4,500. A new motor, I would have spent like another $4 grand, and it'd been a clean title SRT. Clean title SRT, but that didn't go as planned. For example, as you guys can see, check the time out. Today at 12:30, as you can see, it's almost 5 o'clock. That is what he had on the VIN. When I tried to remove it, it looked like the VIN number that used to be under there was sanded down. That already gave me a red flag. Moral of the story, just do y'all research before y'all go look at these cars. I had to pay my driver. I had to pay for the Carfax. I wasted a lot of money. Believe it or not, I wasted a lot of money just trying to look at the car for no reason. That being said, let's go ahead and get back to this video. YouTube, so guess what, guys? I found some Trackhawk wheels in Maryland. I'm currently recording on my phone. Let me show you guys the wheels. It's been forever trying to find these wheels. Finally found them. It's about 2 hours and 30 minutes away. I just hit up the guy who owned them. He told me I could shoot up there now. Hopefully these are the condition they seem like, because everybody down here wants freaking $1,200 just for two, and I did buy only two, but now I can't find the other two. So let's go ahead and just pick up this whole set, and I'm gonna sell the other two. So if anybody's interested, shoot me a DM. They're both silver, and the ones that I'm getting are black. So let's go ahead and head out of here. I need to get gas and I need air. So yo, chat, look how I've been riding around. This tire got it so late. It's my daily right now, so I ain't been trying to spend no money on it until I get my Jeep. So these are the wheels. My boy owned a whole rental company. He just had these sitting in the truck. Alright, guys, y'all can see we are finally leaving. Got the wheels. Now, about to go to Wawa real quick, use the bathroom, and then head back to Philly. Alright, so check this out, y'all. We actually made a stop because I found another pair of wheels. As you can see, there are two sets of wheels in here. Hopefully I will make it home with no issues. But for the price I paid for both, I can't hope it, so I grabbed the second pair. Alright, chat, so we are officially back. As you guys can tell, these are not black. These are the silver ones. Those ones are the black ones. Let me know down below which ones should I put on the Jeep. I kind of like these tires more than these, but it really don't matter on tires, it's the rims. What's up, YouTube? So it's currently been 2 weeks since I dropped the Jeep off. It is not done because I don't know what reason. The place is at, they're giving me the runaround. So hopefully the car will be done really soon. If not, I'm gonna probably be going to go pick it back up. But my homie actually ended up buying a Scatpack. I did try to buy a 300 so I could keep the content moving, but that didn't go as planned. The car ended up being a VIN swap, so I didn't buy it. I actually drove all the way to Maryland just to get it, just for me to end up not getting it. I wasted like $500 because I paid a tow man to come up there with me, and even though he didn't tow a car, I still had to pay him regardless. But yeah, my homie Scat should be here anytime soon, so I'll just pick you guys up when it comes. Sure, chat, as you guys can see, it just arrived. Hiya. This one don't look too bad. I ain't even gonna lie. Man, frame got a little fuck right there. Hey, can you get in this corner? Check this out. Damn, why did they do this? Damn. Ah, that frame fucked. This is something with bracket pin cooked. What's this? Part of the headlight. Oh yeah. Let's see. Just don't try to start. Just put ECC. Get your foot off the brake. No, ain't no key in here. It's not even going to ECC. Ain't no key in here. I gotta call somebody. Pop the trunk.
Yo, bro, let me ask you a question, right? The Rango right there.
You got race lights?
Yeah, bro.
Weird. Oh, I do have race lights. Damn.
Look at him. He ain't like, yo, we're gonna finish wrapping this shit up. We gonna make this shit as simple.
Good floor mats.
Rich on the clock.
Oh shit. Oh, this is an extra box. Oh, this one broke.
Yeah, that joint broke off of it.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yo, he has some ratchet straps in this joint.
Yeah, no,
I can use that.
Burnt out because it's on some shit.
YouTube, so a lot of things just happened when I put the camera down. So for one, we put the jump box on the car, and for whatever reason, the kill switch they had on this car, it caught on fire. It started smoking. A lot of shit started happening. Then I grabbed me a monster. If I got this, you know I'm stressed. But we just had a locksmith come and make us a key, as you guys can see. Key works, so we got a key for it. We did try to start it off camera, it didn't start, so hopefully it's just a fuse. But since we are working on the Durango, I'm gonna finish that, then we're gonna get back to the car. And we did manage to get this side of the door off. I'm gonna show you guys the damage on that side. We don't know if he's gonna repair it or part it out yet. We just want to make sure it starts and it sounds good before we make any final decisions on what he wants to do with it. But for now, let's finish this Durango real quick, and I'll pick you guys up when we're back working on this car. Jeez, check it out. That thing started. She sound good too. We had to swap out the 2 positive wires and fix this one, but she good now. She sound healthy too. Look at the miles. The miles is up there, chat. Don't get me wrong. But chat, look, only airbag light? Come on. 90,000 miles. You can't see it, but no other lights but airbag light is crazy.
Any lights on the dash?
Only airbag.
Fuck you go.
Yeah,
go.
W bye. Y'all wouldn't even guess how much my man got this on for, man. And he got race lights, but that shit not connected. Hold on. Alright. Sound good, yo.
No.
Damn, the roof got some damage though. Shouldn't it?
Damn.
As long as she running dry.
Yo, this
You can fix this. You can fix it. No, it's not.
Oh, look at
Something probably, he probably smacked something and probably fell on top of it. Bro, this joint was rollover. If this car was rollover, chat, all this would have had major dents and stuff on it. This door got pushed back. Closed now. Roof just got some crazy ass damage on it, but we probably could get somebody to repair this. Half tank of gas. And they got the performance pages. That's tough, yo. That is super tough. Jeez. AC working this joint? I don't know. None of this leaked out, so I don't see why AC shouldn't work.
No.
If anybody know what oil factors are, let me know down below, because I don't know what they are. I'm not a performance guy. Oil looked pretty good already, just in case y'all was wondering. We did check that before we started the car. When is it? Yeah. Well, you're missing that door, but shit. Good. All right, YouTube, so we are on our way to go pick up some suspension parts. Hopefully he has everything we need to make the car move in and out the shop until we get the rest of the stuff for the car. I should be getting there in about 30 minutes. Once I get there, I will show you guys the parts. YouTube, so we are back. As you guys can see, we end up grabbing the whole suspension as one, but we are just going to take out one side, so if anybody needs the rest, I know where to find me at, and we're gonna have these front Brembos because we don't need that. All right, guys. So it's about 9:30 p.m. It's very dark outside, as you guys can see, so I don't want to record this for you guys. I just want to knock this out real quick. We're about to swap this whole passenger side just so we can get this car in the shop, because I know it's gonna probably rain by tonight and this whole door is off. So let me go ahead and knock this out for you guys real quick, and I'll pick you guys up and show you guys once it's all put together. All right, y'all, so we got 90% of the suspension put on. We do have to swap out the rack and pinions, but other than that, everything else is on there. Rotors and stuff, it's all back on. Not too bad. Took us about an hour. YouTube, as you guys can tell, is dark as hell out here. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up for you guys right here. We did manage to get this whole suspension on, as you guys can see. Everything is on. Now he just needs this wheel, get the frame pulled, and the rest of the body parts, including the dash and stuff. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.